Create this amazing poster design in Canva. So first go to canva.com, click on custom size, select 1080 by 1080 pixel. First we have to change our background color, so click on background color and then go to this color setting. Here is a file with all the color codes and other elements for this design. Then click on gradient, choose this second color, copy this color, paste it here. Go to text and add a text, turn passion into profession. Then change the font to Sansation. This is the font. Select regular font, decrease the size and duplicate it. Then write something graphic design. Adjust the size and position. Select both and make it left alignment. Make it little bigger. Then go to elements, add a shape. This shape, go to color and change the color to blue. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this shape and go to position backward and then adjust the size as well. Change the font color to white. Go back to text and add another text. Write here something like design clicks. Make it left alignment. Go to font and change the font to Montserrat. Black. Highest possible bold. Then decrease the line spacing. Make it uppercase. Make it bigger. Design clicks. We can reduce the line spacing more. Okay. Then you can duplicate this text or add a new text. I am duplicating this and change the color to black. Write something master the skills and then duplicate it. Write something like, basically it's a hook line. Go to font and make it light. Adjust the size and position. Then duplicate this font, actually text. Write register now. Make it lowercase and then go to font Montserrat, select medium or semi bold. I am selecting medium. Go to effects, background, change the color. Here is the color code. Change the color to this color and then roundness 100, spread 50, and this is also be transparency should be 100. Then reduce the size and place it. Then go to elements, add a circle shape, change the color to black, press Ctrl key and reduce the size of the shape. Set this to left alignment. Duplicate this again. Duplicate once again and make it little bigger. Okay. Then change the color to this color. adjust the size and position by using arrow key of the keyboard. Search for the Facebook or Facebook logo. Go to graphics, add a Facebook logo. I think here is the best version of this logo. Place it here, reduce the size. It should be in the middle alignment. Then we can add Twitter or X logo, whatever you called. Change the color to white as well. Adjust the size and position. Lastly, add a Instagram logo. Let's say this logo. Change the color to white. Place it here. And we are done with the logos. Then you can duplicate this text. Go to effects, change the roundness to 0. Speed 50 will be okay. Then go to font, make it bold, then make it uppercase. Right here, join the, or something like that. Rotate it approximately 13 to 14 degree. Decrease the size. Place it here. Then duplicate it. Write something for. Place it here. And lastly, duplicate once again. Right there with. You can place it here. Okay. Then duplicate this font. Write something contact now. And then you can add your brand URL. Let's say my brand URL is MRR Nil. Place it here, top right corner. Then check out this list, .geometric. We can search for .geometric. Select this, change the transparency to, for example, 30, and then change the color to blue. Place it here. Change, duplicate this font, logo here. Here will be the brand logo. So I am indicating this here. And then also you can add this geometric dot. Make it bigger like this. Then change the color to this color, and this yellow color will be blue color. Go to upload and upload your picture. Let's say I have this picture. Then remove the background. Go to edit. If need any adjustment with the image, you can adjust it from here. Then go to drop shadow. Click on drop shadow. Then you can get all the settings here. Blur 0, angle 20. So blur 0, angle 20, distance 20, intensity 100. Intensity 100. And you can also apply the color here. Make it bigger like this. Okay, like this. And go to position, go to layer, select this layer and make it little bigger. Okay, then go to this checklist, circle, arrow. So first search for circle. You can add this circle, change the color to yellow, make it smaller. First you can place it here backward, and then you can duplicate this and place it like here, and search for arrow. You can add anyone from here, anything from here, then change the color to blue. We have basically two color in our design today, blue and yellow. You can set it here, just reduce the blank space. Lastly, you can take any adjustment. If you think that there need any adjustment, you can take lastly and click here to see the full view. Everything looks perfect. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to get more tutorial like this, you can comment below. Thanks for watching.